Hello lovely people, have you always seen paps like this and wondered how they came about? Well, we know more as I'll be taking you through how I made these. Very easy, delicious, and your kids will surely love it. Okay, so stay tuned and see how I got these. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I love you. If this is your first time here, please do not click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop me a comment down below. So now this is custard. To make this, I'm needing some custard flour, some sugar, and a bit of water, and of course the other ingredients I'll use to decorate it, which you'll see later on after I'm done making the custard. Okay, so to begin, our water is boiling already there by the side. Just want to add like 2 or 3 tablespoons of custard depending on the quantity you want to make. This was for just one person, so 3 tablespoons and a bit. And then I'm just going to add some sugar here. I like mixing the sugar with the custard flour so it incorporates very well. Now this is where the trick is in your custard. Be very minimal with water, okay, if you want a thick custard. So for 3.5 tablespoons, you just want to use like 3 tablespoons of water. If I were to measure the water I put, it would be like 3 tablespoons of water as well. Okay, but for me, I want my custard a bit watery, so I feel this is too thick. I just want to go in and add a little more water. If I was making this for my husband, there wouldn't be need to add this extra water I just added. Okay, so this is where the trick is when you want your custard to be either thick or watery. How this consistency turns out will determine the outcome. Okay, so now our water is boiled. You know, as soon as it's boiling, you just want to take it and pour it into the mixture straight like that, just like this, and you can see it has solidified. It has caked. Okay, so we have our custard. You just want to stir that and make sure everything is well turned until it forms a very smooth creamy paste. Okay, just like this. You can see there's no lump therein, and voila, your custard is ready. This is just the consistency I love. So now let's go ahead to make it fruity custard. So you want to go ahead and pour in your custard into your bowl just like this. Okay, then when that is done, you take your milk. I had this liquid milk I use, but if you have powdered milk, it's always more delicious. You just want to mix with a little water and then pour on your custard just like this. Then of course you can use any fruits of your choice, but for me these are the ones I love combining. Some strawberries, some black seedless grapes, some cucumbers, and some bananas. Okay, actually less is more. If you are doing this for presentation, you might not need so much of these fruits on it. You might just want to use very minimal of them. But man, this is for me and for home consumption, so I'm putting as much as I can handle. So yeah, there you go, your fruity custard is ready. Let me know if you're trying this in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you when next we see. Bye. Hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you. Bye.